Hello po! Ito yung kulay. Kung halimbawa, gagawa tayo ng pangkilar. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. At mayang adlaw sa wikang Bisaya.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before.
What's up guys? Ito na, tapos na ang ating decoration. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please support my YouTube channel, Craig Balance Vlog.
Rihanna! Yeah. What is even there? What?
Munchkins. The small one.
No, not.
Yes.
These are donuts, not that.
Naman tayo, tapos na yung ano natin, decor natin. Yan. Pagod ako dun ah. Tara. What's up guys? Nakabalik rin sa lugar na pinanggalingan ko dati. Ito yung una kong dito place na pinagtatrabahuan ko. Dito tayo bababa. Maraming tao. Ayan. Woo! GBR, this is GBR. Ayan. Antiyan. Hello guys, ito yung footbridge ng ng pedestrian bridge ng GBR. Bago na tapos bagong kakatapos lang Ayun, may tram na dumaan. Yan. Yung metro dito sa GBR. Na tinatawag. Ganda bro. Ganda. Kita nyo guys. Napakagandang footbridge. Kasi mga mayayaman yung dito nakatira. Wow!